I hate the day I have to do chores. I don't want to go outside. It's so crappy out. Alright. Alright. What do I have to do now? You have to clean this thing right here. Oh, come on. I don't want to clean the grill right now. There, how about that? Take that! Take that! Yes, I don't want to do that! Jeez! How about swing a bat? Nah, throw a ball. Throwing a ball's better here. Here we go. Dang it! What's wrong with my grip today? This is not a good day. Come on. Think what to do. I know just the thing. Hey, Mario, I have something for you to do. Here, I'm coming. Alright, Mario. Do more tours or else you're gonna be kicked out of my house. Come on, that's not fair. What's the weather out today, Cruddy? Is it gonna be rainy? Yeah, indeed. No, it's not. Alright. Crap. It's raining! Ah! No, I don't like rain. Please help me. Chef Pee-Pee locked me out. Why? Why? What do I do? What does he want me to do? Clean the grill. Oh yeah, I'm gonna stalk him. How about this? I have a ball in my hand. Take that, Chef Pee-Pee. Take. It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain.